Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Stripe customer portal in no-code apps, detailed guide step by step clearly. To log into the Stripe customer portal in no-code apps, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Stripe website. Look for the login option, typically located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button. Enter your email address associated with your Stripe account. Click the next button to proceed. You will now receive an email with a login link. Check your email inbox for this message. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Once you find the email, click on the provided link to continue. This link will direct you to the Stripe customer portal. If prompted, enter your password for added security. Upon successful entry, you will be logged into your Stripe account. From here, locate the customer portal section within your account dashboard. Follow the prompts to customize or manage your settings as needed. Explore the features available to you in the customer portal. Make sure to log out when you are finished to ensure your account's security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.